Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn DateTime Picker examples. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically we are going to do with the DateTime Picker. So here you can see that we have example where we can select the date and the time also in the meantime. Here you can see, right? So here you can see that you can update the time also. So let's see how we have implemented that one. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we can see that the time picker position to be bottom, top, wherever you can mention it. Okay, so here we are using the plugins for that one. So here you can see that the React multi-date picker plugins time picker we are using, and here the main module, that is React multi-date picker. Okay, so this is the default states that we have set whenever I do the handle change. So I'm going to set the date time. Okay, so here you can see that on change handle this one, so value should be the date and the time. So format should be this one. So if you want to go with the only date, so you are not seconds, so you can skip that one also, and make sure you have to, if you want to use the time picker, so make sure you have to place the position for the time picker and export that time picker component. I'm using it in the time picker over here. Okay, so this is how you can add the date and time picker into your React app. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.